Hello everybody. I just wanted to get on and explain what this video really is about. It's basically me tearing down the LQ4 that we had taken out of the van that we had gotten last year. Actually, I guess we got the van a couple of years ago. And we actually removed the drivetrain and everything from it last year. But we put the engine on an engine stand and it sat there for months and months. And then one day while Brian was actually working on Tinkerbell, which he's sitting right there currently, one day when he was working on Tinkerbell, I said, "Hey, I'm gonna try to tear down the LQ4. Are you cool with that?" And he was like, "Yeah." And I said, "Is there anything I can do to hurt it?" And he was like, "No." And so I did ask him questions along the way. There were things that I had to have help with because I wasn't strong enough, or I didn't know exactly what to do, or just wanted to make sure I wasn't going to hurt anything. So in the video, you'll see several spots where he comes over or asks for help or whatever. But basically, it's just a sped up time, basically, of me tearing down the LQ4. And currently, we are in the process of building the Camaro, which is what the LQ4 is going in, which it will be an LS at that point. I mean, the only difference from the LQ4, actually, the block is sitting right there. The only difference in the LQ4 and the LS, as far as platform that we're building from, is that it has a cast iron block, where a LS has an aluminum block, and I believe that's correct. So anyway, we are in the process of building it, and there will be more videos to come with us building it. And we have just a few weeks, actually, I think 6 weeks, until we want to have this car done so we can actually race it. So we are kind of in a time crunch, but this video is truly the beginning of it, because this is when I tear down the block. And then, of course, after that, we started ordering parts, and we had to get we did get it checked, and we had it machined, and we had, we wanted to make sure that we're starting with good parts and whatnot. And Brian's done a ton of research on it to figure out what to do and what to use. And we're actually using LS3 heads on it, and there's all sorts of good parts that he has that we are in the process of building up on it. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video of me tearing down the engine. And like I said, I really didn't know what I was doing, but I was curious, and I just really wanted to see what it was all about and kind of how everything went together. So we're having fun putting it back together. It's frustrating at times, but it's great seeing it come back together, and I can't wait to get it back running. So watch for videos here in the near future. Have a good one. See ya.
yeah.